and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Shelly, for those who don't know, and welcome. It is officially October 1st, which means it is season 2 of my HALLOW-QUEEN series here on the tube. I created this series last year and you guys loved it, so I'm back to bring you more spooky stuff, all right? So this year we're going to be doing the same thing. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, I already put the rules up there, but I'll reiterate them here. Basically, I will be posting a new Halloween look every other day this month up until Halloween. Okay, we're going to start off real slow and cute, and then as the days go on, we're going to get more spooky and scary. So buckle up. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 10K. It really helps me a lot as a creator. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this series. I put my heart and soul into this, and right now I am still filming the last few looks as we speak. So without further ado, I give you HALLOW-QUEEN 2020. Enjoy. All right, y'all already know the deal. I'm going to get my stencil out, my hair's pulled back, and we are ready to start painting. So I don't know about you guys, but I loved Scooby-Doo growing up. Like, oh my God, I just remember watching it with my grandma when she used to babysit me. I loved all the Scooby-Doo movies. I even like the live action because they actually got the actors right, if you know what I'm saying, but we're not going to get into that. That's for another video. Anyway, so I'm starting off with just putting on my stencil with this technique I learned from my girl Jess on Instagram. I'll put her information down below. She's also a very talented body painter here in Jersey. Well, she's up North Jersey. I'm in South Jersey. But yeah, so I got this technique from her. It saves me so much time. So I had to actually go back in a little bit later and kind of fill back in where that Scooby-Doo didn't really press on really well with my stencil, but we'll deal with that in a little bit. Right now I am just painting in, we're just going to be painting in our mystery gang really quick. I'm starting off with Velma. I kind of started off with Freddy at first. I wanted to make sure I had the right shade of blue. Like, I'm that particular person or artist, like I have to get the right shade or I'm going to get pissed off, and I'm gonna have to keep doing it until I get it right. Am I the only one that's like that? I can't be the only one that's like that. But nothing fancy here. I'm simply just coloring in and going off a reference photo. Also another thing I wanted to throw in here for all my newbies, because I've gotten a lot of new subscribers. Hey girl, hey. I just wanted to let you guys know, if this is the first time you're watching one of my body painting videos, I am wearing clothes. I've been getting a lot of weird messages, weird comments addressing this. I'm not the type of chick to come on camera and do that type of stuff, so that ain't me, so please don't disrespect me like that. But yeah, I just wanted to address that because I guess y'all are feeling like I'm coming on here naked when I'm not naked. I'm actually okay. Anyway, I'm just painting my chest, y'all, literally. But for now, I'll just let you guys watch me while I paint this in really quick, and I will talk to you guys in a second. This is the part where I was telling y'all where I had to go back in and kind of correct where my stencil didn't really place right on there. But I actually kind of like doing this sometimes because it kind of helps me correct certain things I couldn't really get together on Procreate, and like I don't know, when you see it actually transfer onto your body, you can definitely tell like how the picture like places on different like bone structures and stuff. Like I'm over here like really sizing this up like I'm a tattoo artist or something. Like I don't know. Now I know how y'all feel because I be going through the struggle now too. And don't mind that cap in my mouth. It gets real over here, y'all. I be concentrating real hard. All right, y'all. On to the actual Scooby-Doo title. I'm going in with a Mayron paint. I forget what. This definitely gives me a really good vibe of like Scooby-Doo. Like this screams Scooby-Doo. And then we're going to outline that with some orange paint and so before I actually fill in the entire background of this look, I like to go in with a tinier brush and fill in all the small little spaces that will be part of the background that are in between, like, you know, the characters, the title, all that good stuff. So I like to go in and make sure those are all filled in so it kind of cohesively goes with the background and you don't have certain spots that are like sticking out like an eyesore, because I see it. We all see it. Don't act like you don't. And then the second best feeling ever is filling in that background color, whatever color it may be. I don't know. I just like doing this. I like blending it out with the different brushes I use. It's just nice. It's real nice. Real nice. Right. Most satisfying part is the outlining. Oh my god. This is the most like crucial, most satisfying part of the entire body paint, because literally I hold my breath the entire time, but like once I see that final result, I'm like, yes, this is it. But I'll let you guys enjoy me outlining and I will talk to you guys right after that. Alright guys, on to the face. I did my eyebrows and concealed my eyelids and stuff, prepping them for eyeshadow off camera. So if you guys would like to see how I do my face routine, I will not be showing it in any of these videos from here on out because I have a dedicated face routine video here on my YouTube channel. I will link it down in the description bar down below. Just to make the videos a little bit more shorter, I'll be leaving that out because I literally do the same thing every single time. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to focus here on the eyeshadow. For this look, I am using the James Charles palette from Morphe. I love that palette so much. Okay, so the first shade that I am using is called Escape. It's a really pretty deep purple color, and I'm just using that so I can create the eye shape that I'm looking for this look. And I'm making it kind of more circular than what I usually do because you guys know I like my sharp angular looks a lot too, but we're going to take a different approach. We're going to switch things up a little bit because it's Halloween. So next I'm using the shades Love That and Skip. Now these are more like a lighter purple color with a little bit more pink hue in it, and Skip is just a straight hot pink color. So I'm just using that to diffuse a little bit more of that escape out so we don't have no harsh lines, because y'all should know by now how I feel about harsh lines. We don't do that here on this channel. No, we don't. So we're gonna blend until our arms fall off. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo pencil because I really want this orange to pop. I want it to stand out, and it's a really pretty orange color. Like, this whole palette is gorgeous if you already haven't picked it up. I'm not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I just really like Morphe a whole lot. And I also literally love this palette. The color payoff is amazing. I literally use it in every single look I do on this channel. I'm putting on the color 580, which is this gorgeous pumpkin orange. Okay, like, this color is so freaking beautiful. Okay, so right now I'm going to grab a little bit more of that Escape, and I'm going to fade that in towards the side of that orange. And I really want to hug against that orange really close, but I want to blend it out a little bit more. So you'll see me kind of switch my brushes back and forth between the purple and the orange just to make sure it has the best color payoff. Off camera, I did add liner. I didn't do a wing this time, you guys, because I'm really going to smoke it out with some Carbon from Makeup Geek. That's my favorite black I always use in every single tutorial. I still have it ever since I bought it, probably back in 2014. All right, y'all, so now I'm going to go back into that Escape color and also a little bit of that 580. I'm going to smoke that underneath my lower lash line, and just to kind of mash it up, I'm connecting it to, of course, both ends of my eyes just to kind of give it some unity here. And I'm blending that out with a little bit more of that Skip color and a little bit of Love That. I'm wiping off some of my excess powder from my face. Right now I'm going in with Love Bomb from Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, this is my favorite lip gloss line. I don't know why I haven't grabbed it sooner. A little bit of glazed donut action, if you will. Please and thank you. And we done, baby. Final look. Yes. Give me face. Let's go. But that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know by giving me a like, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell notification so you are notified every single time I drop a new video. Also, you guys, I am on TikTok. I have been literally going through a learning curve with this TikTok game. Don't worry, your girl's been fine. I've been getting it. So I'm posting over there as well as on my Instagram. If you already don't follow me on both when I'm not on here, so you guys can keep up with me when I'm not on YouTube. Okay guys, I will see you guys on Saturday with a brand new look. I will see you guys later. Bye.